Yo, welcome back to my channel. Oh, I'm so happy you're back. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe. Click that button right there. It's called the subscribe. It's in a red something. Subscribe. Just click it like this, then click the thumbs up, then comment. Let me know you were here. You know, let's relate. So the basics you need is what I'm about to discuss with you. So stay tuned. And so if I'm looking down, I've listed it so I don't get confused. Number one, take your pens, take your notebooks, whatever, start typing something, start writing something. The first thing you need in your collection are brushes, makeup brushes. Like, you need them. You can't be doing your face with your fingers. You can't be blending the eyeshadow. You can't be doing your cleaning up your brows, making up your face. You need brush. That is number one. And you do not have to splurge your whole. I mean, when you're a beginner, you don't want to spend like 200 cedis on makeup, you know. So just try and get affordable brushes. Follow my page on Facebook. It's called Slay Girl Slay. Slay Girl Slay. So number two is primer. You need to prime your face. Do you know what primer does? It serves as a base for the makeup. Like, it's like a layer between your actual skin and the makeup you're about to put on. That way you don't break out. And let me show you one primer I have, which is the Benefit Professional Primer. It is very good. I mean, like, you see. So you need a primer too, but there are so many brands out there. We have Classic, we have Zaron, we have MAC, we have so many primers. Just make sure you are getting the one which is okay for you. Next thing on the list is foundation, and I have these two foundations. One is the Maybelline, one is the Rolling It concealer pan stick, but I use it as a foundation because it's very full coverage, you know. I love it. So you need a foundation. You need a base to work with. So you need something to even out your whole skin, something to even it out, then you work from there. You need a concealer, and I use the LA Girl Pro concealer. You guys know, like, it's my holy grail. I use this all day, every day. I love it, so I keep using it. Yes, so you need a concealer, and the concealer, you can't apply it with brushes, because when you apply it with the brushes, the finish is different from when you apply it with a beauty puff. So I add this with this because it kind of goes with this. Like, you need this to blend this. To compare, like, oh, se compare. Yes. And sorry, I'm looking down, but you guys know the book is here, the list is here. So from there, you haven't gotten to highlighting and contouring. Then you want to, like, you know, you need to start practicing small before you get to the contouring and highlighting side. But if you ever come across it in the market, you can buy it, a highlighting and a contour palette. I've showed you some on my channel before, so you probably know what it is. I don't have one right here with me, but y'all know. So the next thing you need is a brow pencil. And I use the Davis waterproof. It's actually a lip liner. It's dark brown, but I use it for my brows, you know, because they are very good. Like, it's very good. I'm not even joking. Very good. And I use it for my brows. It's called the Davis one. Yeah, the Davis waterproof pencil. For beginners, when you want to start a home makeup kit, like, start from the beginning, you don't need to have a brow pomade immediately. You can start with the pencil. That way your mistakes are erasable quickly. Then when you advance from brow pencils, you go to the pomade, which kind of looks like this. From pencils, you go to eyeshadow. And for eyeshadow, ta-da! This is what it looks like. this is what it looks like. Yeah, you need an eyeshadow. You do not need as big as this, but if you can afford it, go get it. So the next one on the list is eyeliner, and I use the pomade one. Like, I don't have it here, but it looks like this, but in black. It looks like this brown. Oh, it's not focusing, sorry, but I use the one in black. I can't find it, that's why. But you can also use a black pencil, and then kind of like, you know, it's going to do the same thing. And for beginners, I would suggest a pencil so that your mistakes can be erasable easily. You know, when you use a pomade, erasing it is something else, but when you use a pencil, you can just like clean it with your finger and it's gone. You get it? Yeah. So you need an eyeliner. And for the cat eye, all those who want to draw the cat eye like this, yeah, it takes so much work, like so much work. You need to practice over and over and over. And when I look back at pictures and I look at my eyeliner, I'm like, but thank God we keep improving day by day. And you know, there's this phrase I always go by: any expert at all you know was once a beginner. So just put that in your mind. If you see that I know how to do makeup, I just didn't get up and know how to do it. It just took time, like with practice, and because of the love I have for it, I'm obsessed with makeup. I mean, all my news feeds are makeup stuff. I love it. You need a pressed powder, like your own kind of shade. Yes, your own kind of shade. You need a pressed powder. You need mascara, which is I use the Maybelline, the Colossal Volume Express. I love it. I know it's such a good mascara. I'm almost through with it though, but I still love it anyways. You need a mascara. You don't have to use Maybelline. I use whatever works for you. And you know, you need a lipstick and a lip pencil. I have this MAC one, and I've had it for so long. Even the mark on it has cleaned, but y'all know how MACs do their lipsticks, yeah, and lip pencils. So thank you for watching this video, and I wish to see you back here. Come back, let's chat about stuff. You know, anything you want us to chat about, comment it down. We would chat, girl. If you want to learn anything, if you want me to make any video that I haven't thought of yet, comment it down and let's chat. So until then, bye.